guys, it's PamLashawn. We're about to hang some pictures on the wall. This wall. The brown one. From Kurklands. We got them. They're there. Welcome to my channel. Click subscribe, unclick. No, keep clicking the like and subscribe. And find my channel, PamLashawn. Pictures on the wall. This wall.
Hey guys, it's PamLashawn. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to finally hang the pictures that I purchased from Kurklands. How long ago, baby?
About a month.
It's been like a month and a half, and they've just been sitting here. So I'm going to go ahead and hang those, and I'm going to show you how to hang those. I did find something on Pinterest that would help me hang them, and I think it's a little bit easier to do instead of trying to do all the measurements and things like that. So here are the pictures. And I have two of those. So originally these pictures were $159. We got them on sale. They were for $83. We also had a military discount that we used, my husband's military discount. So we got them both for about $140 altogether. So that was a good deal. We have been watching them for quite some time, but they were just entirely too expensive, and I knew that they would go on sale at some point, and so I waited for them. But we're going to go ahead and hang them today. I'm also going to show you guys a couple of other things that I've replaced in the house, and I'm going to do a slight little clean with me. I've already cleaned up mostly everything, but I'm going to do some extra cleaning. So I think that's about it that I'm going to do today, is hang those pictures, show y'all what I did in the foyer area, and that's about it. So without further ado, let's get started.
So I purchased this brown paper roll from Lowe's. It was in the painting section for about $12. You flip the picture on its front side on top of the brown paper. You will trace all the way around, making sure to use a steady hand, making sure that you're tracing the picture exactly the way that it is on the paper. That is very important, and you will see the reason why in just a moment. So what I did, instead of tracing out two different pictures, what I did was just flip the paper over, making sure to go past the tracing that I did, and I cut it out. That way, when I get ready to cut the paper, I'm cutting two at the same time for both pictures since they are the same size. But something is about to come up that's very important, so please make sure that you pay attention to this part because I don't want you to mess it up. And if you guys notice, I'm being very careful to keep both papers together and make sure that I'm cutting them both very evenly, because if not, they will be uneven, they won't be the same size, and they will come out very messed up, believe me when I tell you. So it's very important to keep them both together and to also make sure that you're cutting them evenly.
Just remember, guys, that you don't have to do two of them at the same time. You can also just do one picture at a time. Thank you, wife, for this microphone time.
Okay, so this is the important piece to hanging your picture. The picture is back on its front side. The brown paper is on top of the back side of the picture. You're going to make sure that it is flat and that the hook is flipped up the exact way that the picture will hang on the wall. You're going to color over the hook part, because when you color over it, it's going to automatically outline that hook. And that's what you need to be able to hang your picture. And I'll show it to you again on the other side. Please make sure that you're paying attention to this part. It's very, very, very important. So here you see my husband and I hanging the paper where we want the picture to go. I know it looks a little uneven right now, but we're going to use that yellow gadget that's on the wall right there to make sure that the picture is hung evenly, and you will see what I'm talking about in just a moment. So this laser shoots across the wall to make sure that you're putting the screws on the right level to make sure that it's even. The arrow there indicates where the screw will go under the hook, but I'm going to actually put it on that line so that I can make sure that this screw is even with the first screw that I put in. So I am going to move the brown paper, but I want to put the picture on the wall to help me hang up the other picture. I know that the paper is there, but I like to see it, so I'm going to use that picture just to help me hang up the other picture. And again, it looks crooked, but once I put the screws in using that laser, making sure that I'm putting the screws exactly on the laser mark under the hook where the arrow showed the first time, then everything should come out perfectly.
All right, guys, so here is the finished look. It goes so good with the furniture. I am gonna add, I don't know, I'm thinking about adding something on the end on each side, like right in the center of there, but maybe a little over, just to kind of take up some more of the wall. I'm just not really sure yet what it's gonna be, and I'll figure it out later. But other than that, that is the wall, the whole wall, and it kind of takes up a lot of the room. And at first I was just gonna go with one picture, the bottom one, but when we looked at it after we hung up the one picture, it was still too much room left. So this actually worked out pretty good. And as you can see, the little gold sparks in it that's in the picture, it's at the bottom one too, but you can see it better from here because it's higher up. But you can see the little gold sparks in it. What I'm gonna do is find me some nice end tables that go on the side here. And I don't know if I'm gonna put gold lamps or gold centerpieces. I'm not sure. Or maybe I'll find me some kind of nice wood table and put the gold accents on it. But I am gonna be putting 2 end tables there. I'm just not sure how soon. And like I said, these pictures were $159 a piece, which is about $320 without tax. And we got them for about it was between $120 and $140. I can't remember the exact amount. And we got them from Kurklands. And so, just to kind of give you all a better visual, the rug color is also in the picture. This color is in the picture, and I'm gonna get some pillows to match. But other than that, I mean, I love it. My husband loves it too. I absolutely love it. I still have to do something about this dress over here, but other than that, I actually like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten up the living room so that you all can see the final touches. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I was gonna do the foyer area, but I decided not to because I'm working on getting the videos under 12 minutes. I would like to do 10 so that the videos are not so long and people are not getting bored with the content. So I'm gonna do my best to start getting the videos under $12. I can't, $12, 12 minutes. I can't speak for makeup videos. Sometimes they're a little longer. But as far as the home decor, I want to work on getting them down. As you can see, the pictures are in the background. The living room area is clean. I do still have to clean up the kitchen, which I will not record tonight. I wanted to share my little Bath and Body Works haul. I went and purchased some candles, which I'm already burning. I'm sure you guys probably seen it in the video while I was burning the candles. But these are the linen and lavender little scent plug-ins, and you just pop this off and plug it in and put it into the wall. I'm sure you guys know exactly how it goes. The linen lavender is a little bit strong, but I like it like that because I'm in a house full of males. It's only my daughter and I, but I have 5 males in the house, so I want to make sure that I'm keeping my home smelling fresh and smelling good. And when people walk in, it looks good, it smells good. And as you know, with boys, stinky feet, stinky everything. So I want to make sure that I'm keeping everything nice, fresh, and clean. So like I said, this is the linen lavender, and it smells so good. Okay, they are getting very disrespectful. Very disrespectful. I'm recording a video here, like with these fireworks and stuff. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and plug these in. I'm gonna finish cleaning up. And what I'm gonna do my best to do is get at least 3 videos up this week. I have this video, a video of me putting together the closet, like the drawers into the closet, and then I'm gonna do the tour, and that's gonna be a little different. So I'm gonna try to get all 3 of those videos up this week. At least 2 I'm gonna get up this week. So that's it, guys. Until next time.